And so it just comes very, it just comes very, it's not put on, it's not a switch on, switch off. That's just inherently who he is. I mean, we were backstage. That's just the way he is. I don't know him any other way. I've known him from the time I was 16, 17. I'm 39 now. He's always been like that in any scenario. It doesn't have to be in a public forum, or not necessarily only when the cameras are rolling. And I think it just stems from love, from genuine love and respect.
It's very organic. So it's not chemistry, it's organic chemistry. जो साइंस के हैं मेरी तरह वो समझ गए होंगे.
मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो कोई बात है बात है
मैं क्या ही मोटिवेट करूँगा. Since I've been here yesterday, I am getting motivated every day because this is such a phenomenal platform, Karan. हम लोग actors हैं, but there are so many things that are beyond our imagination which these young people are doing.
When we had a partner like Netflix, there was, of course, we had to create magic. It was bound to happen. Also, we never knew that Gangubai will become so popular again on Netflix in Thailand. Hiramandi topped some 43 countries and became the most watched show globally.
More time with people that you love and respect and admire, people from whom you can learn, and and they take you on a journey, and that's the magic that happens between a director and an actor. I don't think the medium for an act, at least for me, I don't see the medium being any. I mean, that doesn't change anything for me. I think it's just being on that set and going on that journey which makes a difference. Having said that, I do believe that in writing,
what are the success stories and missed opportunities from India that shape destinations and their creative appeal? We'll begin with Mugdha ji.
कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो बितवा ये खुद से तो ना दो जुबा रात बड़ी है मस्तानी को दिल भर जाने गले गला दूरिया धक 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 के ये दिल चक चक बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी को
so rich, and for whatever reason, some of it is not as common knowledge as it kind of should be. It is in a form, some comic books you read growing up, of the Panchatantra and Jataka tales, etc. But I'd like to see more of that, and I think we're just scratching the surface.
If I could just add, what's great about Wave that's happening right now, and this investment in creative storytelling.
हम देखते हैं डॉर्मेटरी अंधेरा है, सब बच्चे सो रहे हैं और कैमरा मूव होता है और बाथरूम में जाता है और देखते हैं कि ईशान फूट फूट के रो रहा है, वहाँ फूट फूट के रो रहा है, फिर वो नल खुलता है, फिर वो अपना मुंह भी धोता है, वो शॉट। दर्शील मेरे पास आया और उसने बोला कि आमिर अंकल आई डोंट नो हाउ टू क्राई। अब ये नॉर्मल है, एक्टर्स जब उनको आप बोलो कि भाई रोने का सीन है तो वो थोड़ा घबरा जाते हैं।
You be yourself. Be true to yourself is what I feel. Yeah, unfortunately I have to leave. क्या टाइम हो रहा है?
Amin, one last question, Amin. Amin, one last question, please. Amin, here towards your left.
Left?
Amin, here.
अच्छा, okay, last question.
Okay. I am Krudit writing this.
सेबा
Con tiếp xe đây đang qua sửa. Siraba Gateway of India and reach to Thailand. Nhưng mà là nó có phần gì? Là sĩ cái một trong quê gì? Mới mà sang sai thăm này là có gì? Ồ, hoặc để cái tuồng về bị được. Ngoài nhỉ? Nông thị trông mong gì đó cái nông đâu đi.
Yeah, so I could like the organizer it.